In this video, we'll go through the app which is called AVA, Transcribe Voice to Text, live captions, and transcription. So you would ask why this app is interesting, and in fact this app is climbing in the top charts in the social media category in the App Store. You would say there are so many apps which are doing transcription, and there is Otter AI, Descript, you can do transcription just in Google Docs and all of that. But this app is really fun for another feature, and I will go about that later, and why is this app especially going very high in the social networking category. So first of all, this app is super useful because it's really helps people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Our speech to text provides 24/7 real-time audio transcription with about 5 hours in 100 words based on AI, and the highest possible accuracy with AVA Scribe in about 1 hour in 100 words. But for that, you will need to upgrade. So you can use AVA to transcribe or live caption voice to text for classroom, business meetings, doctor's appointments, shopping events, and more. So you can just easily download AVA on your phone to easily transcribe. But there is this killer feature which is called group conversations. And then you can just use voice to text in group conversations, and then invite users to download our app with a QR code. And then our app shows a real-time color-coded transcript of who says what. So I will show you this feature. It's really amazing. I think that's really can be the future of messaging apps. I actually really liked it. So there you have it. So there are free plans, there is paid plans, community plan for power user, where you can get 3 hours of premium caption for $99.99 per month, or $14.99 per month if paid monthly. So let's just open the app, and at the first glance it just looks like just a normal traditional transcription app. But then, as you can see, I will just enable this transcription, and you will see that this chat is being color coded, and now there is a chat recorded. So that's about that. And then the cool feature is that you can just add other people, see what everyone says, invite people to our room. No download needed. You will see there are captions here. So you can just invite them via web link. You can also just go here and just add people via username. Just search for someone with our username. So it's like a social network. And then, or you invite people from your contacts, or just search Facebook friends, give access to your contacts, etc. You can also just scan QR code, or you can share your QR code. So for example, this can be my QR code. And then basically all these chats are kind of like a transcripts, and then you can add a lot of people here, and you can just have this cool group chat. So first of all, of course, it's helping a lot people with hearing problems. It's really amazing app. I think it's one of the best in class for this reason. But also there are so many more use cases. It's also like a fun group chat. So you can, if you don't like to type long paragraphs, you can just have this group chat with your friends, and then you can just talk to your phone, and instantly, as you can see. So as you can see now, this this chat will be populated here, and then it will just appear as you are talking. So if you want to tell something very long, you can just send it here. Of course, you can send an audio message, but then still it's audio message, it's not transcript. Or you can create an audio room, but that's just an audio room. That's not text. So that's the cool feature of the app, and it goes further. So you can also just use the settings, and then you can use this for translation. So you can just talk to your phone and then choose language to translate into. So you can just select all these languages. So imagine that you are talking with some, like, going traveling to Japan. Some people um, don't know, like, I don't know, English or something, and then of course you can just use Google Translate and stuff, but also you can just speak to this app. It will automatically translate you and create this group chat, or you can just invite someone to group chat from completely different place who doesn't know, like, your language. So that's another use case. Yeah, you can also just type and Ava will start speaking, and then you just save all of that like transcripts. And all group chats are basically transcripts which you can share. And then there is like a profile where there are settings where you can reserve your username. I reserved my first name, but it's pretty cool. And then yeah, there is subscription information. You can see that. Then there is like a lot of features which really make this transcription quite high quality. You can have vocabulary boost, select microphone, speech language, text size. Here in like voice type, you can change male, female voice and all of that. Then that's your profile. You can change your profile picture, change your username. If there are any issues, you can always reach out to their support. For example, if you're concerned about, like, your account or your privacy, you can always just reach out to them and write like to delete an account or something, or ask how to delete your data. Because yeah, I get, like, if you're using this group chat a lot and using this app often, you just want to be sure that at any point you want to be able to delete your data. So that's what a lot of people ask, at least. Then unfortunately, these high quality premium captions are quite limited. So you can add more premium captions. Just you can get 1 hour of them for just $4.99, or get 3 hours of premium captions with Ava community. So you can also do that. You can try 15-day free, then $14.98 per month. Yeah, then you just have your contacts. Then you have Discover. So of course you can use Ava app with Zoom, with Discord, Twitch, Google Meet, Apple Podcasts, Facebook Live, Skype, Slack, IGTV, Teams. All these apps, you can just use this, and try it out. So that's basically the app. I think this group chat feature is really amazing, and especially if you use it with translations. And that's why it's climbed charts in the social networking category, because maybe a lot of teens as well want to try something new, and that has some really cool potential, I think, because this is like a kind of, I haven't seen this way of communication before. So of course you either have text, audio messages, video messages, but if you're just talking and it transcribes into group chat, this got me excited. I think it's cool. But of course this app is increasingly valuable for like people with hearing problems. I think this is one of the top apps in this category. So yeah, definitely give a try to the app for the group chat feature, or just for doing your transcriptions. Try to hang out with friends. You can have some fun, and yep. So that's the app. You can also see the upgrade options. Either it's free, premium, or Scribe. And then you just need to upgrade here. Yep. So if you want to get even more accuracy, then you just need to subscribe to our community. That's $14.99 per month. So other than that, thank you for watching.